Is this sitting in your shower? It's Tresemme Natural Shampoo and Conditioner. A class action lawsuit alleges false labeling.
There were synthetic ingredients within the shampoos and conditioners, and they weren't actually all natural.
And Scott Hardy with TopClassActions.com says a settlement could put some decent money back in your pocket.
You can get $5 per bottle purchased.
Even more money if you have receipts. I see a lot of Mini Coopers driving around. If you own one, have you had an overheated or stalled engine?
The class action alleges that there was a defect in the water pump which caused these problems.
If you have a 2007 to 2013 BMW Mini Cooper and had a water pump repaired or replaced, you could get up to $500 back. There's also a settlement warranty period for free replacement if the water pump fails. And if this looks familiar, it could be your lucky day.
The interesting thing about this settlement is that you can get up to $500 back.
It's a fax from a place called Expert Med, listing a lot of medical prices. Allegations are the fax ads were sent without permission and without an opt-out notice. That would be illegal. But before you go dumpster diving for this, it had to be sent between 2009 and 2013. Go to abc15.com, click on sections and let Joe know to see if you qualify and for all the deadline information. Join us Thursday, October 20th from 5 to 8 p.m. as we take Let Joe Know on the road to the Tempe Marketplace. Talk one-on-one with attorneys and experts in landlord-tenant, health insurance, HOAs, child support, cars, scams, and more. Thursday, October 20th, 5 to 8 p.m. at the Tempe Marketplace District Stage. See you there.